Hi, my name is Nikki Dorsey. I am from North Platte, Nebraska, and I'm the library facilitator with 9 different elementary buildings here in North Platte. I wanted to start off introducing myself by talking a little bit about my family. This is my husband, Mike. He is a professional hunting and fishing guide. He had spent 23 years in the Marine Corps and is now retired, so he's up there for 5 months each year, fishing and hunting and living the dream. And he will be back this year, October 2nd, so we're all excited to have him come back. My oldest son, Jake, he graduated from UNK in May, and he is moving up to sergeant because he has his BA in education, and he will be their 7th through 12th social studies teacher up there. My medium kid, Kyle, he played golf in college. He started at Doane, and then unfortunately he got sick and ended up in the hospital. He came home, finished at Mid Plains, and so he has his associates in business. Now he's headed to UNK in the fall to get his industrial distribution degree, and he just turned 20. Luke, my youngest, is 17. He is a senior at North Platte High, and he is looking forward to playing basketball. Hopefully, he's going to have a season, and he's off to college, hopefully for something in pre-med, maybe radiology next fall. Because of Mike's position in Alaska, we got to take a trip to Alaska this year. It was amazing. My youngest son caught the 113-pound halibut, the biggest one. Kyle caught a 110-pounder, and Jake, excuse me, my oldest, caught several, basically decent-sized ones, 60, 40 pounds, something like that. So they had a great time up there, and we hope to go again. Some of the hobbies I enjoy: reading, photography, watching my boys in sports or any other activities, learning Spanish. I've tried to do that. Travel. I hope to travel a lot. And watching movies with my husband. As far as my college career is concerned, I started at UNK, and that's where I got my Bachelor of Arts degree in education. I taught as a classroom teacher for just 1 year, and then I went to the University of Nebraska at Omaha and Chadron, a cooperative program where I got my library media endorsement and my master's degree in education. So I started with North Platte then in 2008. I started as a media specialist, and we taught library skills to kindergarten through 5th grade. Just the last 4 years, I've been the library facilitator at 9 different elementary buildings that we have in North Platte. We had 10, but then Hall School closed a couple of years ago, and so now I just oversee and manage the collections in the libraries at 9 different buildings. I am excited to start this ESL internship and get some observation done in the classroom and learn a lot more about ESL.